Welcome to SolidWorks, guys. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about sketch offset and convert entities. So for that, selecting sketch on front plane. So you can access offset entities option from command manager, or you can simply go to tools, sketch tools and offset entities, or simply press S key on your keyboard and offset entities. So I draw one sketch. And I want to do offset of this sketch. So I simply select offset command and simply select sketch. So in offset property manager you can see we have lots of other options. So if we check reverse option, then you can change the direction of offset curve. I will explain chain option later. So if you press bidirectional option, you can offset both the direction, cap and, so you can close the offset entities by arc or lines. So if you press line, you can see the changes over here. And this is construction geometry option. So if you want to your base curve as construction geometry, then you can check this option. For now, here add dimension, we have checked the add dimension option, so it's automatically appear the dimension over here. For now I am pressing OK. So you can see our base curve become construction geometry and dimension is also appear over here. I can modify my offsetted curve by clicking the dimension, double click on dimension and give whatever dimension you want to. I simply give here 1.5 and here let's say 1.25. So you can see the changes. I'm going to explain that select the chain option in offset curve. This is our curve, and when I activate offset entity option, and when I select one curve, and if I want to select all curve, then I have to select chain option. So all the curve which is connected with this entity is being selected. You can see here. So one important use of curve I'm going to explain. So for that we need a rectangle, and I just exit the sketch, go to extrude base, simply extrude rectangle. So if I want offset entity over this surface, then I have to simply press and insert a sketch on that plane, go to offset entity option and simply select whatever the edges of the face you want to offset. So I want to offset this top face, so simply select that face, uncheck the bidirectional option I just put the reverse option and give offset of 2.5 centimeter, or let's make it 5 centimeter, and press OK. So you can see we have offsetted sketch of this face on same face. So now we can go to just exit the sketch first and go to extrude cut, and we can make a cut. So second option is convert entity. So for that I am using different sketch. I just open this part. This is called yoke. Simply insert a sketch on this face. Go to normal. Draw a circle on that face. Okay. Give dimension. Okay. Exit the sketch. Oh. Go to extruded cut. Extrude. So we have hole on that face, and we want that that sketch on this face. So now we can do it for convert entity, for making this sketch, like this circle sketch on this face, that sketch that we want to convert it, and then press convert entity. You can see, so that sketch is copied on that face. So now we can use that sketch for same purpose, extrude cut, and we can do extrude cut over here as well. Let's try another way. So if I want this face on, if I want to convert a sketch of this face on this face, then simply insert on sketch, go to select this sketch first, delete the face first, and go to convert entity. So all the edges of this face become a sketch for this face. So this way you can use convert entity option. I can also convert sketch on plane as well. So I simply I want to convert this face, including its all edges, including this circle and this rectangular edges on this plane. So I simply go to insert a sketch on that plane, select that face, and convert entity. Select that circle and convert entity. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. See you in next tutorial.